Hi, my name is Jenny Umali, and here are my 5 powerful affirmations for self-empowerment and healing that you can use to boost your confidence and start your day with positive energy. Number 1, I am worthy of love, healing, and all the good things life has to offer. This one helps remind you that you deserve everything that comes your way, whether it's love, healing, or success. Number 2, I trust my inner wisdom and follow my intuition with confidence. Trusting yourself is so important for self-empowerment. This affirmation encourages you to believe in your gut feelings and make decisions with confidence. Number 3, I release all past pain and embrace the healing that is available to me now. Healing is a process, and this affirmation helps you let go of past hurts so that you can create space for new positive energy. Number 4, I am strong, capable, and resilient in every challenge I face. Whenever you feel like you're facing obstacles, repeat this one to remind yourself that you have the strength to handle whatever comes your way. Number 5, I am in control of my energy and I choose to surround myself with positivity. This affirmation empowers you to take charge of your energy and choose what you let into your life, making sure it aligns with your healing and growth. I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance. Use these affirmations daily to remind yourself of your power and ability to heal. The more you say them, the more you'll start to believe in your own strength. Bye!